Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Real Exam Question Series, and we are going to discuss today 41st reorder paragraph. It means that we have already discussed 40 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो paper में आते हैं. Yes, we discussed the real exam questions and the tips, strategies to solve them. First things first, now PT is accepted in UK for study, work, or if you want to settle there, and 90% of universities accept PT academic. And a new test, which is PT Home, has started if you are looking to apply for family visa in the UK. My name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. Now a common question students ask me is this, so how you achieved it? Can we also do? The big answer is yes. We have students who have followed our tips, strategies which we teach and the tricks which we follow, and they are able to achieve their target score, right? So if they can do, you can also do. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it has 5 question types and it is not scored out of 90. The PT reading module is just 47 marks, okay? And reorder paragraphs are today's topic. Is third question type in this order, okay? You have to remember everything, the orders, especially because we have to do the time management. This is the real PT reading scoring. As you can see that the total reading module just contributes 47 marks and 6 marks are for reorder paragraphs. So if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs in your paper, so it's going to be 3 marks each. But yes, every mark counts, so you have to pay attention to that. And if you understand our strategies, it will be very easy to score. So the reorder paragraph, the maximum time you can give to solve it is 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, you have to skim the content, then you have to read it, then you have to make pairs. And this is most important because the scoring is on the basis of pairs. And then you have to confirm what you have made or what pairs you have made are correct or not. So this is reorder paragraph number 41. And as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this. Okay, so you know that in reorder paragraphs, what we do first is we skim the paragraph, right, to find independent line and if possible, concluding line also. So let's see if we can find independent line quickly. It comes from a substance called amygdalin, right? So let's say it comes from a substance called it kya aata hai, kuch nahi pata. So that's why it cannot be your independent line. Over here, we are using process of elimination. In process of elimination, we eliminate the wrong options and until unless we are left with the right option, which is independent line in this reorder paragraph. This bitter taste, कौन सा bitter taste, right? नहीं पता. So that's why we are going to eliminate this also because कहीं bitter taste की बात हुई होगी. It cannot be your independent line. This chemical turns into कौन सा chemical? नहीं पता. So that's why it cannot be your independent line also. They are hard, bitter and unpleasant. कौन hard हैं? Pronoun है they. So that's why it cannot be your independent line. Apple, cherry and apricot seeds are not considered to be edible. Yes. वैसे भी process of elimination से भी हमारे पास एक ही independent line रह गई है, but yes, it makes sense also. It seems like an independent line also. Okay, so let's move this line over here and let's now see if we can make pairs. Okay, सो अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, इट कम्स फ्रॉम अ सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड अमाइगडालिन, राइट। अब ये जो सब्सटेंस है, राइट, एक सब्सटेंस का नेम दिया हुआ है, समझ आए ना आए प्रोनाउंस करना जरूरी नहीं है। प्रॉपर नाउन है, प्रॉपर नाउन्स वैसे भी पीटी में उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कंसिडर नहीं की जाती है। अब दिस बिटर टेस्ट, अब बिटर टेस्ट कहाँ पे एसोसिएटेड है, राइट। आपको बिटर टेस्ट देखना है। यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई आर SO strategy, which is subject object strategy. एक लाइन का subject can be object for other line. So अब यहाँ पे bitter कहाँ पे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे they are hard, bitter and unpleasant. Okay. So पहले आप bitter की बात कर रहे हो, जनरली बता रहे हो bitter है, और फिर आप अपनी BS strategy, brought to specific strategy, सिर्फ उसको आगे explain कर रहे हो, specify कर रहे हो. So this bitter taste is a defensive feature which the plant produces to keep animals like us from destroying it. Okay. अब आपका ये पेयर बन गया, but we have to see the second line. This chemical turns, chemical कहाँ पे आ रही है बात, okay? Chemical की बात कहाँ आ रही है? अब आपके हिसाब से कौन सा केमिकल है? ये रहा वो केमिकल. It comes from a substance called amygdalin, right? ये वाला chemical turns into cyanide when it comes into contact with acids in the human digestive system. Okay? बट अभी हम क्या फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? सेकेंड लाइन. सेकेंड लाइन कैसे फाइंड आउट हो सकती है? सेकेंड लाइन कौन सी बनेगी? क्या ये बनेगी या फिर ये बनेगी, राइट? बिकॉज एक पेयर हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. अब आप देखिए, एप्पल, चेरी एंड एप्रिकॉट सीड्स आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी एडिबल. वो कंसिडर नहीं किए जाते हैं. ये आपका एक तरह से अफेक्ट दिया हुआ है. उस अफेक्ट का रीजन क्या है, क्यों नहीं किए जाते? कौन सी लाइंस में एक्सप्लेन हो रहा है? In this line, they are hard, bitter and unpleasant. Why? Because यहाँ पे they है, एक pronoun यूज हो रहा है. किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है? एप्पल, चेरी एंड एप्रिकॉट सीड्स के लिए. सो आप यहाँ पे देखिए कॉज एंड अफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप आपको फाइंड आउट करके यू कैन सी दैट यस, ये पेयर बन रहा है. So now this is they are hard, bitter and unpleasant. Okay, अब आपका नेक्स्ट लाइन कौन सी होगी? अब आपको पता है यहाँ से बिटर है, सो यहाँ से हमने अपनी SO स्ट्रैटेजी के हिसाब से दिस बिटर टेस्ट. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू मूव दिस लाइन ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज the order which we have made. Now we have these two sentences left. अब एक इनमें से सेकंड लास्ट होगा और एक लास्ट होगा. अब कौन सा लास्ट होगा? दिस केमिकल. कौन सा केमिकल? कहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो केमिकल? चाहे आपको समझ आए या ना आए, आपको एक आइडिया लग रहा है सब्सटेंस या फिर ये केमिकल है अमाइगडालिन, एंड सब्सटेंस की बात हो रही है तो ये इससे एसोसिएट हो रहा है. क्योंकि क्या इस लाइन में कहीं पे भी कोई आपको केमिकल की बात हो रही है कि कौन सा केमिकल है? राइट, ठीक है, डिफेंसिव फीचर की बात हो रही है, बाकी सब बातें हो रही है, बट केमिकल कहीं इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रहा. केमिकल कहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? इस वाली लाइन में. ओके, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हियर, राइट. एंड नाउ वैसे भी लास्ट लाइन है, आप चाहे समझ आए ना आए, इट्स गोइंग टू बी फिटिंग इन द लास्ट, बट स्टिल अब आपका SO स्ट्रैटेजी फिर से अप्लाई होगी. दिस केमिकल को यहाँ पे वो रेफर कर रहा है. सो amygdalin turns into cyanide when it comes into contact with acids in the human digestive system. Okay, so this is the reason we are going to put this in the last. Let's see if the order is correct or not. And the order for this is correct, right? So you see, if you are going to follow our strategies, our SO strategy, independent line strategy, you will be able to solve your answers, to solve your reorder paragraphs quite easily. Okay, so what is the RO strategy? Our RO strategy is based on finding independent line. You have seen that. Then BS strategy, brought to specific strategy. आज हमने उसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी देखी. जैसे वो बिटर की बात हो रही थी, उसके बाद आपने बिटर टेस्ट की बात की, राइट. Then CO strategy, chronological order strategy, connectors, TO rule, topical order rule, AB rule, abbreviation rule, SO strategy, another important strategy which is subject object strategy, like we had find read baki pairs like chemical wala pair based on SO strategy, and finding last sentence rules. There are certain strategies which can help you to find last sentences also. So if you know all these strategies, our students who are in institute students or online students, know these strategies and they can easily solve the reorder paragraph in 2 minutes. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line, and if you are able to find a conclusion line, well and good, but this is optional. In next 30 to 60 seconds, look for clues, use your SO strategy, TO strategy to find your pairs, okay? And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What is the proof? The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target scores in this week. And these are some of our success stories where students have achieved 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81 scores also. So if they can achieve, you can also achieve. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. Do not forget to WhatsApp us if you have any questions or doubt, or if you want to take online or in institute coaching. And do subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.